The last budget section that some districts will receive is Title V, Part B. We are eligible for Title V, Part B in this example, and we'll see that we have $29,900 to allocate. There's no equitable share of services for Title V, so it would just be at the district. I'll need to enter in my district contact information and save the screen, and then I will go down to budget items to add budget items for Title V. You'll notice that there's no grant member budgets here because we're not transferring any funds to Title I. You're not allowed to transfer Title V to any other funding stream. Instead, you're allowed to use any of the Title V funds flexibly like you would in any of the other funding streams. So I will go ahead and enter our contact information, and we'll jump down to budget items and get started. So I have $29,575 to allocate, and it is a program cost for Title V. And as I said earlier, you can use Title V like any of the other title funding streams. It's not transferring. So let's say this school district wants to have a Title I like position at their non-Title I building, like the high school, like an interventionist for math. So 9 through 12 math interventionist. And I think it says 29,512. Switch that up. And I might be wrong, but it's at the high school. And normally we would say high school if it's for all kids, but it's an intervention. So we're going to go 125. And for that, we'll do like a 0.3 FTE, and we will save. And then we're going to go back to the Title V budget summary screen to see if we had the right amount there, if we needed to allocate more or take some away. All right, I'm back at the budget summary screen. I see I had $63 more to allocate. So to fix that, I go down to budget items. And from there, I will need to add $63. So this should be 75. And save. And then going back to the budget summary screen, I should be able to see that I am now fully allocated. I've fully allocated my Title V funds. And back on the Title V budget summary screen, and we'll see that I have allocated all my funds. I have $0 balance. And so I am done with Title V. Now, if this was a new position and my consultant wanted to see a job description for this, again, I would put any attachments related to Title V Part B in the Title V Part B attachments box. But now looking back at the rest of this application with all check marks, nothing more to do, I would be ready to submit.